Magandang araw mga classmate. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw ay kung paano isulat ang standard form ng linear equation in slope-intercept form and vice versa. So bago tayo mag-umpisa sa ating aralin, balikan muna natin yung naging lesson natin about standard form of linear equation at yung tinatawag nating slope-intercept form. So kadalasan, when we say standard form of a linear equation, it is written in the form of ax plus by equals c. Kung saan yung ating a, b, and c are all real numbers. At yung ating a and b, hindi siya pwedeng maging equal sa 0. Okay. So ang ating slope-intercept form naman ay usually nakasulat in the form of y equals to mx plus b, kung saan yung m yung ating slope at yung b naman yung ating y-intercept. Another important thing about this lesson is for us to familiarize about the two properties of equality na gagamitin natin. Okay, so yung una, yung addition property of equality o yung APE, wherein it states that if the same amount is added to both sides of the equation, they remain equal. Or in symbol, let's say we have A equals C, ito yung ating equation, and let's say we add B sa both side ng equation, so magdadagdag din tayo ng B sa right side. So itong equation natin still the same or remain equal. Same with the multiplication property of equality. So this time, if both sides of an equation are multiplied and divided by the same number, they remain equal. Or in symbol, let's say we have, again, A equals C. So when we multiply A to B, so dapat si C mo-multiply rin natin kay B para sila ay maging equal pa rin. So ganun din kapag magdi-divide tayo. So when we divide A by B, so dapat si C di-divide din natin kay B. Okay. So ito yung ibig sabihin ng ating dalawang property ng equality. So ito yung gagamitin natin sa susunod nating examples on how to write or transform standard form of linear equation to slope-intercept form. Okay, so this time, let's try to apply those two properties of equalities on rewriting the standard equation to slope-intercept form o yung ating y equals mx plus b. So, dapat yung ating magiging final answer is in the form of y equals to mx plus b. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung left side ng ating equation o ng ating slope-intercept form ay meron lang tayo dapat na variable na y sa left side. So, dapat magawa natin ng paraan na yung left side natin ay y lang. So, sa number 1, so we can now apply yung tinatawag natin na addition property of equality. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin para mawala o ma-eliminate natin yung 7x sa tabi ni positive y? Okay. So, in that case, pwede tayong mag-add ng negative 7x. And then, plus y equals to negative 6. So, kung ano yung in-add natin sa left side, so siya rin yung i-add natin sa right side. So, yun yung addition property of equality. So, pwede na nating i-simplify. So, 7x plus negative 7x. So, ito ay pwede na nating i-cancel. So, ang matitira sa right side o sa left side ng ating equation ay y. So, ang nasa right side, so we have negative 6. So, plus and negative or positive times negative is negative 7x. Okay. So, pwede na nating i-rewrite yung ating equation as y equals to negative 7x minus 6. Kung saan, yung negative 7 yung ating m, And then yung negative 6, ito naman yung ating b o yung ating y-intercept. Okay. So, let's proceed sa ating second example. Let's say we have 2x minus 11y equals to 3. So, this time, when we apply APE, so ang aalisin natin muna sa left side is 2x. So, ibig sabihin, kukontrahin natin yung positive sign. So, mag-a-add tayo sa 2x ng negative 2x. Minus 11y equals positive 3. So, kung ano yung in-add natin dito, so mag-a-add din tayo sa right side. Okay. So, 2x plus negative 2x, pwede na nating i-cancel. So, ang matitira ay negative 11y equals, so i-rewrite na natin. So, we have negative 2x plus 3. Okay. So, another thing, so dapat ang coefficient ng ating y sa left side dapat is positive 1. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan nating magawa ng paraan na ang maging coefficient ng ating y ay positive 1. So, in this case, pwede natin siyang gamitan ng multiplication property of equality. So, pwede natin siyang i-divide sa negative 11. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung ginawa sa left side, so, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa right side. I-divide din natin sa negative 11 yung lahat ng terms. Okay, so in this case, pwede na nating i-simplify. Negative 11 divided by negative 11 is positive 1. 1 times y, so ang matitira sa left side is y. Then, simplify natin yung right side. So, negative 2 divided by negative 11 is positive 2 over 11x. So, positive divided by negative, so it will become negative 3 over 11. Okay. So, ito na yung ating slope-intercept form kung saan ang ating slope ay 2 over 11 at ang ating y-intercept ay negative 3 over 11. So, last, let's say we have 7x plus 5y equals to negative 8. Okay. So, APU uli. So, 7x, mag-add tayo ng kontra o yung opposite. So, we have positive 7x. So, mag-add tayo ng negative 7x. Then, copy yung 5y equals to negative 8. So, kung ano yung in-add sa left, so, siya rin yung i-add natin sa right side. And then, proceed tayo sa pag-simplify ng equation. So, we have 7x plus negative 7x. So, this will become 0. So, ang matitira sa left side is 5y equals negative 7x minus 8. So, this time, apply natin uli yung MPE o yung multiplication property of equality. So, divide both side by 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, matitira sa left side is y. So, we have negative 7 over 5x minus 8 over 5. So, ito na yung ating slope-intercept form. So, this time, let's do the opposite of what we did dun sa ating first 3 examples. So, this time, ang given naman ay slope-intercept form. So, isusulat natin siya in standard form or in the form of ax plus by equals c. So, take note na yung ating coefficient ng x, kung saan yung a at b, so dapat ito ay maisulat natin in an integer form. So, dapat it's either positive or negative number na integer. Okay. So, unahin natin yung number 1. We have y equals to negative x plus 2. So, dapat, in this case, ang matitira sa right side ng ating equation, so dahil siya ay standard equation, ay yung ating constant term. So, ibig sabihin, sa number 1, si positive 2 lang dapat ang matira dun sa ating right side na equation. So, ang dapat maalis natin sa right side ay si negative x. Okay, so paano natin gagawin? So, we can now apply again addition property of equality. So, we can now write y equals negative x. So, ano yung pwede nating i-add para mawala si negative x? Yung opposite niya ay positive x. Then, plus 2. So, naglagay ako ng space. So, para ito yung space kung saan natin ilalagay kung ano yung inad natin sa right side. So, kung naglagay tayo ng plus x sa right side, so maglalagay din tayo ng plus x sa left side. Okay, so simplify natin. So, we now have y plus x equals, so negative x plus x, so this is 0, equals to 2 na lang ang ating right side ng equation. But in standard form, we have ax plus by equals c. So, i-write na lang natin yung y plus x as x plus y equals 2. Okay, so ito na yung ating standard form ng equation. So, let's proceed to the second example. Let's say we have y equals to negative 5 over 7 x minus 1. So, if you will notice, meron tayong rational number dito na negative 5 over 7. So, sabi natin kanina, dapat ang maging coefficient ng ating mga variables ay integers. So, pwede natin gamitan ito nung tinatawag natin na multiplication property of equality, kung saan we can multiply both sides by 7, kung ano yung denominator, para maging whole number yung magiging coefficient ng ating x. Okay, so divide natin yung left side ng positive 7. So, ganun din yung right side. Okay, so multiply natin sa 7. So, when we distribute 7 to y, we have 7y equals, so 7 multiplied to negative 5 over 7x. So, makakancel natin yung ating denominator dito. So, ang magiging sagot is negative 5x. And then, multiply 7 to negative 1. So, the answer is negative 7. Okay. So, in this case, pwede na natin itong gamitan ng APE o yung addition property of equality. So, para ang matira sa right side ay constant, so ibig sabihin, mag-a-add tayo ng opposite ng negative 5x both sides. So, we can now add positive 5x sa left side and positive 5x sa right side. Okay, so para makancel natin yung negative 5x sa right side, so ang matitira sa ating right side na equation is negative 7. Then, simplify na lang natin yung left side. So, we have 5x plus 7y is equal to negative 7. Okay, so ito na yung ating standard form ng equation. Okay, so let's proceed to our last example. We have y equals to negative 8, 9 or 8 over 9x plus 1 over 3. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung coefficient ng ating variable na x is a rational number, same as our constant, na mayroong magkaibang denominator. So, we have 9 and 3. So, first step is for us to apply yung ating multiplication property of equality. So, both side, magmumultiply tayo nung LCM nung 9 at 3. So, ang LCM nung 9 at 3 ay positive 9. So, imumultiply natin sa left side. So, yun din yung imumultiply natin sa right side ng equation. So, 9 times y, we have 9y equals to negative 8 over 9x times 9. So, imumultiply natin dun sa first term nung nasa right side na expression. So, makakancel itong denominator na 9. So, ang matitira ay negative 8x. And then, mumultiply din natin si 9 kay 1/3. So, when we multiply 1/3 by 9, so 9 times 1, we have 9/3. 9 divided by 3 is positive 3. Or we can cancel yung ating denominator na 3 since so they are divisible both by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 1 times 3, the answer is 3. Okay. So we have plus 3. Okay, so this time let's apply the addition property of equality. So we can now add itong opposite ng negative 8x sa both side ng ating equation. So we have 9y plus 8x, positive 8x, equals to negative 8x plus positive 8x plus 3. So yung right side, pag sinimplify natin, so ang matitira sa right side is 3. So we can now rewrite this part as 8x plus 9y. Okay. So ito na yung ating standard form ng linear equation. Okay, so that's it. I hope ay meron kayong natutunan sa lesson natin ngayong araw, and feel free to share this video to others, especially sa iba pa nating classmate para mas marami pa tayong matulungang iba. Until next time!